Hey Queen, welcome to Life is Too Short to Wear Boring Shoes, Part 1. First, we'll go shopping to see what goodies we can find to bedazzle our heels. And to be honest, I didn't know what I was searching for. I just had two heels in mind, and I knew I wanted something glittery, blingy, sparkly. Just like this one over here. So many beautiful, interesting things in this place, which gives me a lot of ideas for future DIYs. But can you just look how beautiful this piece is? Oh my god. Okay, so let's focus. I have two black heels, and I was thinking to decorate one of them with pearls and the other one with something silvery. But then I saw this and I was like, I see it, I like it, I want it, I got it, sold. Which means we'll have to go shopping for another pair of heels. And after going to 7 stores, I found the perfect heels. So here's what I got. First we have these two stunning butterflies. And of course these two Ariana Grande 7 rings inspired thingies. I don't know. Some pearls. And some more. Don't be shy, put some more. And the bling. Ah, so beautiful. And actually, I was thinking to use these two butterflies with this one and these two with the other one, like this. Yes, perfect. And of course, we will need some super glue and scissors. Shall we begin? And here are the heels before. Here's heel numero uno. These wedge heels come with button-on straps that are decorated with these silver rhinestones, which makes them just perfect for the silver butterflies. And yeah, by the way, they are not dirty. It's just the velvet that gives this appearance. I'm going to glue the butterfly on the wedge itself. This is an iron-on rhinestone sheet, but I'm not going to iron it on. I'm just going to cut it and glue it on the front of the heel. Before I start, I'm just going to quickly clean it, although I cleaned it the last time I wore it, but anyways. And this is the best way to clean velvet shoes. First, brush to remove any dirt, and then use a Scotch tape to remove any excess dust. I couldn't decide whether I should glue the butterfly straight or a little bit tilted, but I think it looks cuter when it's tilted. Let me know in the comment section, what would you do? Cut the rhinestone sheet into thin strips and then glue them on the front part of the heel. And that's it. It's very simple and easy. Here's a quick before. So boring. And the grand reveal. Wow, so beautiful. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button for more videos. Stay tuned for part 2. Till next week, Queen.